Imagine this. You're walking across your living room and suddenly feel a little off balance. You brush it off. Then, a few weeks later, you notice it's harder to carry groceries, or your legs get tired quicker than they used to. Sound familiar? You're not alone. What you may be experiencing is something many people over 60 face without even knowing it: sarcopenia. It's the silent muscle loss that creeps in with age, and it doesn't just steal your strength, it can steal your freedom. But here's the good news: it doesn't have to. With the right foods, yes, foods, you can slow, reverse, and even prevent this muscle loss. That's right. You don't need expensive supplements or intense workouts that leave you gasping for breath. You just need nature's medicine, superfoods designed by God and proven by science to nourish and protect your muscles. This video is not just about eating well, it's about reclaiming your strength, your energy, and your independence. Because your body still listens to you. You just have to speak to it in the right language, and that starts with food. Let's explore 10 powerful, easy-to-find superfoods that every senior over 60 should eat to fight sarcopenia naturally and stay strong for the life you love. What is sarcopenia and why seniors over 60 must act? Fast sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that begins quietly around age 30, but accelerates rapidly after 60. While it might sound like just another aging issue, the truth is, sarcopenia is one of the biggest reasons seniors lose mobility, fall more often, and become dependent on others. Here's what's happening inside your body. As you age, your levels of testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone naturally decline. These hormones play a key role in maintaining muscle health. Combine that with lower physical activity, chronic inflammation, or a diet low in protein and nutrients, and the result is muscle wasting, even if you're eating what you think is enough. But sarcopenia isn't just about looking or feeling weaker. It's directly linked to increased risk of falls and fractures, reduced ability to recover from illness or surgery, higher chances of hospitalizations and infections, and yes, even higher mortality rates in seniors. Yet, the most painful part? Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. They think fatigue is just age catching up, when in reality, it's muscle loss slowing them down. But here's your power. Muscle is a living tissue, and it responds to nourishment. With the right foods and a little movement, you can regrow strength, reignite energy, and reclaim your life at any age. That's why this video matters. You're not just watching a list of foods. You're learning to protect your muscles, your independence, and your God-given vitality. Now let's move into the heart of the solution. The top 10 superfoods that help seniors fight sarcopenia naturally, and superfoods to help seniors beat sarcopenia naturally. Let's dive into the 10 powerful superfoods that aren't just tasty, they directly support your muscles, bones, and overall energy. These are safe, affordable, and available at your local store. Wild salmon is one of the best natural sources of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both essential for muscle preservation and repair. Omega-3s also help reduce inflammation in aging muscles, which can slow down the muscle-wasting process. What's more, salmon supports heart health and improves insulin sensitivity, allowing better nutrient absorption into your muscles. For seniors over 60, eating salmon twice a week can help maintain strength without heavy supplements. Grilled, baked, or even canned in olive oil, it's a simple and powerful food to fight muscle loss and promote whole-body health. Eggs are nature's perfect protein. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which plays a direct role in stimulating muscle growth. Seniors experiencing sarcopenia need protein that's easy to digest and absorb, and eggs provide just that, along with vitamin D to support bone and muscle function. Whether boiled, poached, or scrambled, eggs are an affordable, versatile, and gentle food for older adults. Even 1 egg a day can support muscle repair and help balance blood sugar levels, making it a powerful ally in your daily diet. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in casein and whey, two types of protein that support muscle preservation, especially in older adults. It contains almost twice the protein of regular yogurt and is also full of calcium, which strengthens bones. Another bonus? Probiotics in Greek yogurt help improve digestion and absorption of nutrients, allowing your muscles to receive the nourishment they need. Choose plain, unsweetened versions to avoid excess sugar. Add fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of flax seeds to make it both tasty and functional. It's especially great as a post-workout or breakfast option. Lentils and chickpeas. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas offer plant-based protein, fiber, and iron, a trio essential for strong muscles and sustained energy. Iron helps transport oxygen to your muscles, reducing fatigue and weakness. For seniors who eat less meat or have sensitive digestion, these foods are gentle yet effective. Easy to cook, they fit into soups, stews, and salads. One bowl of lentils can offer as much protein as meat without the heaviness. Plus, the fiber keeps digestion smooth, reducing bloating or discomfort. A few servings a week can make a huge difference in preventing muscle decline. Spinach. Spinach may seem light, but it's packed with nutrients that directly support aging muscles. Rich in magnesium, potassium, iron, and nitrates, spinach helps maintain muscle function, improves blood flow, and prevents cramping. The natural nitrates also enhance circulation to muscle tissue, improving strength and endurance over time. Seniors often face mineral deficiencies, and spinach offers an easy way to restore balance. Lightly sauté it with garlic or blend it into a smoothie. Even half a cup daily can help keep your legs stronger and prevent the slow weakening that comes with sarcopenia. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free whole grain loaded with complete protein, meaning it includes all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and stay strong. It's also high in magnesium and iron, which support energy production and muscle contraction. Unlike white rice or pasta, quinoa digests slowly, keeping your energy steady and preventing sugar crashes that lead to fatigue. It's easy to cook and pairs well with vegetables, beans, or lean meats. Just half a cup per meal can boost muscle maintenance, making quinoa an ideal staple for seniors over 60 fighting muscle loss. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a go-to food for nighttime nourishment. It contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles steadily for hours, making it perfect before bed to prevent overnight muscle breakdown. It's also rich in calcium and B12, supporting both bone and nerve health. For seniors who have trouble meeting protein needs, a few spoonfuls of cottage cheese offer a low-fat, low-carb, high-protein option. Top it with berries or sliced banana for a balanced snack. This one small habit can help you wake up feeling stronger, not weaker. Almonds and walnuts. These powerful little nuts are full of healthy fats, plant-based protein, vitamin E, and magnesium, all important for muscle recovery and strength. They help reduce inflammation and provide lasting energy throughout the day. For seniors, especially those with low appetite or poor digestion, a handful of almonds or walnuts can make a nutrient-dense snack that supports muscle health without feeling heavy. Just 8 to 10 nuts a day can contribute to better muscle tone, reduced fatigue, and brain health too. Just be mindful of portion size. The fats are healthy, but also calorie-dense. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries aren't just delicious. They're filled with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. As we age, our muscles become more vulnerable to damage. Eating berries helps repair and protect these tissues, especially after light exercise. They also contain vitamin C, which supports collagen production for both muscles and joints. Add them to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or smoothies for a sweet healing boost. Even a half cup a day can strengthen your body's defenses against the slow erosion of muscle with age. Bone broth. Bone broth is a traditional remedy making a big comeback, and for good reason. It contains collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and trace minerals that nourish joints and support muscle tissue. As we age, the body's natural collagen production drops, contributing to muscle and joint pain. Drinking warm bone broth regularly helps restore what time takes away. It's gentle on digestion and deeply nourishing. Sip it like tea in the morning or before bed. Even a cup a day can help reduce inflammation, improve recovery, and promote comfort in your bones and muscles. How to include these foods in your daily life? Incorporating superfoods doesn't mean changing your entire kitchen. It's about simple, doable swaps that build your strength meal by meal. Start your day with protein. Instead of plain toast or cereal, have a boiled egg, a scoop of Greek yogurt with fruit, or a protein smoothie with spinach and banana. This sets the tone for better muscle preservation throughout the day. For lunch, include legumes like chickpeas or lentils in your salad or soup. Add a piece of grilled salmon or quinoa with steamed spinach for dinner. If meat is hard to digest, try a cottage cheese bowl with berries or bone broth as a light alternative. Snacks matter too. A handful of almonds or walnuts between meals provides lasting energy and supports muscle health. And always stay hydrated. Water helps nutrients move through your system efficiently. Meal plan tip: breakfast, Greek yogurt plus berries plus walnuts lunch, quinoa plus lentil salad plus leafy greens dinner, baked salmon plus spinach plus sweet potatoes snack, cottage cheese or a boiled egg evening. Bone broth consistency is key. These aren't magic pills. They're everyday blessings that nourish your body over time. Let's now understand how sarcopenia connects with dangerous outcomes if ignored. Dangers of ignoring muscle loss. Why it's a silent killer. Sarcopenia doesn't announce itself with loud symptoms. That's what makes it dangerous. You won't feel pain like you would with arthritis or heart disease. Instead, it begins subtly. You get tired climbing stairs, your arms feel weak lifting groceries, or you sleep longer but still feel drained. But here's what's really happening inside. Your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain fat and harder to lose it. Your risk of falls increases, even on flat surfaces. You become more vulnerable to infections, fractures, and hospitalizations. And worst of all, your recovery slows down, whether it's from illness, surgery, or injury. Studies have shown that seniors with low muscle mass are more likely to die prematurely, even if they have no other major illnesses. That's how serious sarcopenia is. But the good news? It's preventable, and even reversible when you take action early. It's never too late. You can start in your 60s, 70s, even 80s, and still rebuild strength. If you're over 60, your muscle health is the key to independence, energy, and joy in daily life. Sarcopenia may be silent, but you don't have to be. You've now learned about 10 powerful superfoods that can help you preserve and even rebuild lost muscle, naturally, safely, and deliciously. From the protein in eggs and salmon, to the slow-burning energy of quinoa and the healing strength of bone broth, these are not exotic or expensive solutions. They're gifts from nature, placed within your reach. Now is your time to act. Begin with 1 or 2 changes. Choose a breakfast that builds strength. Add greens to your dinner. Keep moving, keep nourishing, and keep believing. Comment below and let us know. Which of these foods will you try first? Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Senior Health for more uplifting guidance every week. Your body is sacred. Your strength is your gift, and your journey is still going strong.